Hey, I'm Adam with Adam's Welding. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a couple weeks, but I've been working on the welding rig. I'm going to show you all that now. In the past couple of videos, y'all have seen the fuel issues I've had with this rig. I determined it to be a bad fuel sending unit in the factory tank and bad fuel lines. So since I was replacing fuel lines, I figured since I'm going to flatbed this truck, I might as well also put a larger semi-truck tank on it. This is a 33-gallon tank off a Freightliner. I ordered it from 4 State Trucks a couple weeks back, and I spent the past couple weeks getting it installed. I have had some issues with getting it installed, but I should have checked before installing it. The sending unit that they sent me for this is actually the wrong ohm rating for the gauge they sent me. So the fuel sending unit doesn't read right, but the tank flows and returns properly. So I'm still happy with this purchase. The people I talked to from 4 State were very helpful. I will have to get a secondary, another one of these right here, the sending unit soon, so my gauge can read right. But that's not immediately pressing. I'll do that later down the road. What's more important is getting this truck back on the road. And I currently just have the tank strapped down to the bed with a ratchet strap to the frame I had my welder mounted on. That's the reason I'm not driving it back in yet. But that's what I've been working on lately. Next thing I've got to do is take and map out my wiring for my tail lights, so that way I can just cut them and splice them straight into a trailer wiring diagram that I can get some like trailer lights for it that I'll be able to use with my flatbed. So yeah, that's what I've been up to for the past couple weeks. I've got the tank all hooked up, been testing out some, and it's been working fine. So my next step to do is to build the flatbed and put it on this truck, which to do that I'm going to get a plasma cutter, which is coming in a couple days, and I'll do an unboxing and review on that when it comes in. I'll test out, show y'all how it works. I've never used a cheaper plasma cutter like this before. I've always used Hypertherms, so this will be a learning experience for me, and I hope you all join me along for the ride. I'm also going to do some videos on building the flatbed for this. That might help some of y'all out there. I'm also going to show how I attach the fuel tank underneath the flatbed. I'm going to make my own straps for it and everything, the saddles, which is going to be not something I haven't done before, but something that I've never done one for this style of tank before. So if you want to see that welding bed I'm going to build, and want to see other welding videos like I show on this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell icon to be notified when they're posted. Until next time, keep on welding, folks.